Yeah, so this is a quick video regarding the custom button. And so basically, this is the button I have injected. When you click on it, it will just fetch the tags from the database and the GHL. We are using a mixture of it because the GHL does not let us to store the sequence, descriptions, and these additional information. And you can just click on that. As you can see, we have not selected the contact, so we can just select the contact and click. Now it will say you have one contact selected. We can just select it and we can apply the sequence, and we can basically confirm the action. And once we confirm that, it will use the GHL API and it will let us know that this tag is successfully applied. Now we have automation set up that if the tags is changed to this tag, basically we will start a whole communication chain and email sequence for that, right? So this is the basically first custom base example.